Transitions. Hi, I'm Debbie. Some blazed a trail, others faded fast. Tonight's featured acts have all passed. We begin with this clip from 2014. Gully Bop had just emerged on the entertainment scene with a story as strange as it gets.
Drop me a drop, but me don't feel the drop when you drop me.
Late blooming hitmaker Gully Bop says no to dental work now and dismisses Ninja Man as history.
Around 92 me about thing. Last time Ninja Man fly up a stage, I him stadium pan Supercat, a back Supercat backs him down. I'm a little youth, I'm just walk up and make one pose and the place a bus.
Boom, balance for me, boom. It is a new gear stick. Yeah.
The surprise success story of 2014 also gets a cuddle and a kiss from new girlfriend Shauna Chin.
Them say I'm a madman, but I still go after the madman. So, and it end up to be not a madman.
Them say me come out of the gully, but me I tell them say, I the money gully. Cause me was in the gully, and me was the money way in the gully, but they never see me. So till me come out of the gully now, and be a money man from the gully, everybody want to come somersault for me, want to come boom flick for me, they want to come put a padlock for me, they want to come own me, them all about them drop me. Let me tell you this, man, they never pick me up, straight up. Me no hype, me no hype. Me don't know when name hype, me can't spell hype.
But you can't be the same person, so how have you changed?
Oh, me change, me not change. I the same me. I'm gonna think the clothes get clean, skin get clean, start bathe regular. Remember me tell you start use cologne I never usually use. Start use some top soap and some expensive cologne when I never usually use. Start wear hat, me ear look good. Look now, the face I get fat. I that I flap them. And that I mad them, that I get them crazy. Before the year end, remember me tell us Asylum and Bellevue, I got full of them. Can't stop Gully Bop.
Yo, nobody knows me Gagan. Somebody show me Ninja Man.
DJ Ninja Man may not have been at Sting, but got bitten anyway. Nothing personal, says Gully Bop.
If I go for a catch fish, the biggest fish in the sea me want to catch. I want to catch him like a sprat. Me all in my business even more than him. And him know that too. Him skelly and done cook out and throw a pot and them things there. My time now. Time I run things now. And I really skelly on business right now. I get a little break. I'm want to get the break, explode like a bomb. Him expect one little roller go come, but I want big 4-wheel press at this company, just press out him like a career.
Gully Bop, an unlikely star at the ripe old age of 50.
No spring chicken. Past spring chicken days, me reach a bullfrog now. And I the only frog that's not Tom Crash Road, no car can't run over me. Very smart.
The DJ who lost most of his teeth got an offer of help from a New York-based Jamaican dentist, but has now turned it down. He says having no teeth is a big part of his image and his sound.
When I drop the tape measurement and read it, and if I put up something on my teeth and I'm going to start making no money yet, I'm not ready for that yet, man. That can't wait till down in the future, like further on.
Weren't they going to give you this free of cost?
Free? Then I'm going to take something free and check out myself. Me now make freeness drop me. Let me tell you. Put that in my mouth. I got dead for hungry. I can't get to come a friend Cyril or any other studio come to 2 up later. My teacher paid me for 3-4 months straight. That drop off a big stripe off of my career, you know. That's the next trick. That's the next trick in my life to flop my career. So, two of them say me a madman, I'm going to run up put in teeth. I'm my teeth, my ears, I eat with them 2 teeth, you know. Because some people expect to see a man with 2 front teeth come and fry and come bust some show with that image of them like. When they come and see a man with 32 big white pretty teeth in their mouth. I mean, they're fake, you know. I go up there, I go all sound like Bounty and sound like Bean, and people must have an imitation Gully Bop that man.
So you sound this particular way because of the fact that you're missing a lot of teeth.
All right, yeah, straight up.
Romance in the air for Gully Bop. Shauna Chin also taking care of business.
Right as I meet my manager when I dirty like ground. Shauna Chin, let me tell you something. And right now, she's more a manager to me. If you can read the signature, you know what this means. I have to tell you.
Tell us anyway.
We're going to get married and we're happy.
Wedding bells this year?
Straight up. Not the next coming year, this year.
They're talking about me a gold digger and this and that. But I'm a person who always stay behind the scene. I like the whole limelight and video. If you ever see any party with me, I'm there a party all the time. I always support people.
Friends for Real, where Gully Bop recorded his singles and a lot of dub plates.
Always giving, you know, if he comes around and he make a certain money in like recording dub plates, before him reach outside, him give him more certain at the studio, the rest outside, like no joke. I think the first time he did dub plates around here, you know, we got like 150,000 for him. The person that take him to the studio, you know, gave it to them because we know them, you know, with the connection. And for 3 days he came here in the same clothes, you know, looking the same way. So we were like, yo, what's up? You know, and then I heard from him that, you know, you only got like 18 grand out of it. And, you know, all of that is history now.
Some people predicting time isn't on Gully Bop's side, but the Grant Spence sensation just happy to be where he's at right now.
So if somebody asked you what's your current state of mind, you'd say that probably this is the happiest you've ever been in your life?
Then I must. How am I happy right now? Me happy than happy demons. I'm well happy. Me happy me feel free. You know, when you have a bird locked up in a coop for years and one day you go feed him and let the coop do rope, and when you come in and say one. When you look at the whole of them lying down for you, never look down for the coop. I go back in there.
Run here, Miss Gully, you run here. You know it's man, no girl run here.